Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can hide and show hidden lines in a FreeCAD drawing view. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. As you can see that I have did the detailing of this locating finger, but if you see the isometric view, we have the holes here. So if we see the front view, we are not seeing the hidden lines of the holes, and even in a side view as well, and in a top view. So in this tutorial we will learn how we can on the hidden lines. So for this, if you see here, the frame is off. So first thing we have to do is on the frame, and we will move this our view to the outside of a drawing so that it should not be overlap. Now click on this boundary, and here in HLR parameters, here you will see the hard hidden is false, set it true. So you can see that hidden lines has been on. Now I will select this top view and do the same procedure. Hard line is false, set it to the true, and now we will select the right view. Hard hidden is false, set it true. Now we will off the frame. So now we can see that hidden line is on here in a top view as well, and in a side view as well. So this is how we can on the hidden lines. And if you want to off it, all you have to make this hard hidden false. So once you make it hard hidden and false, it will get disappeared. Hard hidden false, and select this right view and select hard hidden false. And now I will move my isometric to the drawing template, and I will off the frame. So this is how we have learned how to hide and show the hidden lines in a FreeCAD drawing as per our requirement. If you want to show the hidden lines, how you can show, and if you want to hide, how you can hide it. So this is all about this tutorial. I hope you have liked this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.